The BOYI GMK67 65% mechanical keyboard stands out as a highly flexible and compact option for users who want both performance and customization in a small footprint. Designed for gamers, office users, and keyboard enthusiasts, this board focuses heavily on personalization thanks to its hot-swappable switch support, allowing users to easily change mechanical switches without soldering. This makes it especially appealing for those who like experimenting with different typing feels, from smooth linear switches for gaming to tactile options for typing work. The 65% layout strikes a strong balance between minimalism and functionality. It removes the numpad and some function keys while still keeping essential navigation and arrow keys accessible, making it a great choice for tight desk setups or portable use. Despite its compact size, it doesn't feel restrictive in daily tasks, and the key spacing is comfortable enough for long typing or gaming sessions. Build quality is another highlight, as the keyboard typically comes with a solid and well-structured frame that feels stable during heavy use. Many configurations of the GMK67 also focus on improved internal acoustics and a softer typing feel, which enhances the overall experience by reducing harsh key noise and providing a more satisfying keystroke. Depending on the version or kit, users may also find support for RGB lighting, adding a customizable aesthetic layer that fits gaming setups or minimalist workstations. One of the biggest advantages of this keyboard is its customization potential. From switch swapping to keycap changes and internal tuning, it gives users the freedom to fine-tune the typing experience exactly how they want it. This makes it a strong entry point into the mechanical keyboard hobby without requiring advanced knowledge or expensive tools. For gaming, the responsiveness and stability of the keys provide a reliable performance with quick actuation and consistent feedback. For productivity, the compact layout encourages efficient hand movement and reduces desk clutter. Overall, the BOYI GMK67 delivers a strong combination of affordability, customization, and performance, making it one of the more attractive 65% hot-swappable keyboards in its category.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.